Hello everyone! Today I don't have a pattern for this project, but I want to show you how do I finish making a crochet corset top. This was a random project. I was planning to make a tablecloth, but got bored at the middle of the way and decided to end with a crochet top. So for this I just took the piece of the crochet tablecloth that I already started and added the 2 crocheted pieces of bra cups, the bonnings, button clips, a support for the waist, lining, the zipper, added the straps, and that's all. Here is the crochet top. What do you think about this project? Give us a thumb up if you like it. Subscribe for more videos, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and thanks for watching.